You understand English. You know what people say. But when it's your turn to speak, nothing comes out. This is not your fault. You don't need more study. You need this shadowing practice. Let's start speaking today. I hear this sentence very often. I understand English, but I can't speak. People tell me this after watching videos, listening to podcasts, or studying for years. They know what is happening in the conversation. They follow the story. But when someone looks at them and waits for an answer, the voice disappears. During practice, I noticed something simple. The moment they start repeating out loud, the fear becomes smaller. The words start to move. Speaking doesn't come from understanding more. It comes from using your voice again and again. Before we begin, remember this. You don't need to think. You don't need to translate. Just listen and repeat out loud. Shadowing practice. I understand English, but speaking feels hard. I listen carefully and repeat the sentence. I use my voice, even if it feels uncomfortable. I don't wait for the perfect moment to speak. I repeat the sentence without stopping. I focus on the sound, not on the grammar. I allow myself to speak slowly. I don't judge my pronunciation. I keep speaking even with small mistakes. My confidence grows when I repeat. I don't stay silent anymore. I practice speaking every day. I trust the process of repetition. Speaking English feels possible now. This practice helps me speak English. Now let's move into real situations. Imagine yourself speaking, not studying. Listen and repeat naturally. Shadowing practice. I answer simple questions in English. I speak even if my sentence is short. I don't freeze when someone talks to me. I respond with the words I have. I stay calm while speaking English. I don't overthink my answer. I speak clearly and slowly. I keep the conversation moving. I don't apologize for my English. I use basic English to express myself. I feel more comfortable speaking now. I repeat sentences to sound natural. I speak even when I feel nervous. I trust my voice more each time. Speaking English feels less scary. Now let's connect ideas and speak with flow. Don't rush. Finish every sentence. Shadowing practice. When I speak English, I try to stay relaxed. I take a short pause before I answer. I don't rush my words when I speak. I let my voice move naturally. I use simple sentences to explain my ideas. Even if I make mistakes, I keep talking. I listen carefully and respond calmly. I speak with confidence, not speed. I allow myself to think while speaking. My English sounds clearer when I relax. I don't need perfect English to communicate. I stay present in the conversation. I finish my sentences without stopping. I feel more comfortable expressing myself. Speaking English feels more natural now. Now we go a little longer. Follow the sentence from start to finish. Stay with your voice. Extended shadowing practice. I understand what people say, and now I answer out loud. When someone speaks to me in English, I stay calm and respond. Even if my sentence is simple, I finish it confidently. I take a breath and continue speaking without stopping. I repeat full thoughts to sound more natural. I don't stop in the middle of my sentence. I focus on the message, not on my mistakes. I allow my English to flow naturally. I respond with the words I have right now. My voice sounds stronger when I keep going. I don't translate before I speak anymore. I stay present and complete my ideas. I trust my voice when speaking English. I feel more confident speaking for longer moments. This practice helps me speak without fear.
Let your voice lead now. No pressure. Just speak and move forward. I can speak English without stopping to think. I feel more confident every time I repeat. My English sounds natural when I relax. I don't need perfect words to speak. I trust myself when I talk in English. I stay focused on the message, not the mistake. I can react faster in conversations now. I enjoy using my English voice. I don't translate before I speak. I feel comfortable speaking out loud. Repeating helps me speak smoothly. I allow my English to flow naturally. I stay present while speaking. My confidence grows with repetition. Speaking English feels easier now. Take a slow breath. Notice how your voice feels right now. A few minutes ago, you were just listening. Now you are speaking. That change matters. You didn't wait to feel confident. You didn't wait to feel ready. You spoke anyway. This is how English becomes real, not by studying more rules, but by using your voice again and again. Every sentence you repeated helped your mouth move, helped your brain react faster, helped your confidence grow a little more. If you keep practicing like this, speaking will start to feel normal, not scary, not heavy. Now, before we finish, let me give you some simple tips so you can use shadowing the right way and make this practice even more powerful. Now, Luna tips. First, always repeat out loud. Shadowing only works when your mouth moves. Even if you speak softly, use your voice. Repeat each sentence 2 or 3 times. The first time, copy the sound. The second time, copy the rhythm. If you repeat a third time, use your natural voice. Don't translate the sentence into your language. Your brain understands more than you think. Trust the sound and keep going. If a sentence feels difficult, pause the video. Repeat it slowly. Then repeat it again at normal speed. Practice a little every day. 5 or 10 minutes is enough. Consistency is more important than long study sessions. Don't worry about your accent. Focus on clarity and confidence. Your accent is part of your voice. Remember, shadowing is not memorizing. It is training your mouth and your brain to react faster.
This is how speaking becomes natural.
You did something important today. You didn't just listen to English, you spoke English. Every time you repeat, you are building confidence. Little by little, your voice becomes stronger. Don't wait to feel perfect. Don't wait to feel ready. Speaking grows through action. Come back and practice again tomorrow. Even a few minutes can change how you feel when you speak. This is English with Luna. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed this session, my friend. Until next time, keep repeating, keep speaking, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.